Stree Shakti Samiti translates as Women's Empowerment. It has been established to provide local women with a skill which they can use to make an income. Through making money, the women can realize their potential in society and become a powerful agent of change for their families and the rest of the community. The seeds of Stree Shakti first began to germinate in 2003 when, in her home in Purkal, Chinnaswamy taught a local woman how to make quilts to sell. Through support from friends, demand for the quilts grew and more women joined the program. The initial working capital and the equipment came from donations. By 2008, there were over 50 women and the Stree Shakti organization moved to a new building which was funded in part by donations. In 2010, Stree Shakti, which had previously been an offshoot of the Purkal Youth Development Society, was registered as an organization in its own right. The following year, Stree Shakti was recognized as a fair trade organization by the Fair Trade Forum India and was also awarded the Craft Mark certificate by the All India Artisans and Craft Workers Association. In 2013, an outreach program was inaugurated in the nearby village of Gangol Panditwari in order to widen the area which Stree Shakti could cover and reach out to more women. Stree Shakti has more than 100 women coming from villages surrounding Purkal. They come with very little or no prior exposure to skill, technique or quality. The women undergo training for 6 months where they are given technical skills. During their 6 months training, they are paid a stipend and afterwards they are ready to start work in production. At first, Stree Shakti was just producing patchwork quilts and these still form a large part of production. Following on, the range was expanded to include applique and Madhubani quilts. After showing at an exhibition, it became clear that other products than quilts might prove to be lucrative. And so, soon the range further increased to wash bags, pencil cases, tea cozies, laptop covers, stoles and wall hangings. There are quality checks at every stage of production and one of the workers has been promoted to quality controller working across all the groups. She inspects the products thoroughly and helps the women to correct any defects. In order to satisfy the high standards of our international corporate clients, we have had to focus on high-quality, neat finishing. Currently, the majority of Stree Shakti products are sold to the domestic market. To reach this market, we exhibit at major craft exhibitions across the country. At the main production location, there is a display center selling all the products and this is regularly visited by locals and tourists. Customers can also place orders via the website and there are a few retail outlets selling Stree Shakti products. The Early Childhood Learning Center was established to educate the children of the women workers while they were busy making the products. ECLC acts as a preschool to the Purkal Youth Development Society. The children are given milk and food, they are educated and have the chance to play while at the same time being near enough to their mothers if needed. It means that the women can work without worrying about their children. Stree Shakti is not owned by any individual. The organization is structured into distinct self-help groups consisting of a group of workers managed and represented by a group leader. There is a central group function that provides management and accounting. The self-help groups benefit from bulk purchasing, shared designs and marketing under the Stree Shakti brand. The ultimate aim is that Stree Shakti evolves into an organization that is self-managed and self-sustaining so that the existing supporting management function can be removed. The self-help groups will then resource the central management functions and it will be the women themselves that sustain the whole organization in the future. To achieve this, it is necessary to change the mindset of these women from that of wage earner to entrepreneur. This is a challenging prospect, but progress is being made. overall turnover has been increasing year on year since Stree Shakti began, and steps are being taken to improve profitability so that the organization can stand on its own without the need to fall back on donations. For the time being, however, extra money is required to fund additional fixed assets, a medical fund for the women, a subsidized daily lunch, and continued free transport to the workplace. There are several ways that you can help these women get a step closer to independence, and that is by covering some of the non-business costs of running the Stree Shakti organization. To ensure that Stree Shakti has the best chance of success, the women are provided with free travel to and from work. With vehicle maintenance, driver and fuel included, the cost for one woman is at present 9,500 rupees per year. Poor nutrition is a problem for most of the women, and they are regularly given a nutritious snack and tea to help keep them healthy enough to work. The monthly cost for a self-help group consisting of 10 women is 2,800 rupees. Once a year, the general health of each woman is thoroughly checked, and the annual cost for a self-help group of 10 women is 7,000 rupees. While most costs of the Early Childhood Learning Center are covered by the Purkal Youth Development Society, the daily milk that the children get is not. The monthly cost of milk for 60 children is just 7,500 rupees.